Today we're making a creamy, classic cookies and cream ice cream, right in our Ninja Creami. It's fast, it's indulgent, and easier than you might think. So let's get started.
First, we start by breaking up our Oreos. It's a really straightforward process.
Just a quick blitz in the food processor, enough to get those perfect cookie chunks.
In a small microwave-safe bowl, melt 1 tablespoon of cream cheese for about 10 to 15 seconds, just until it's soft. Then whisk in 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of whole milk. Make sure everything is smooth and fully combined. Now, we did notice that the cream cheese can sometimes leave a slight film on the spoon or in your mouth. If that's something you're sensitive to, feel free to reduce it or leave it out. The taste still comes out great.
Pour the mixture into your Ninja Creami pint container and freeze for at least 24 hours until it's completely solid.
Once it's frozen solid, insert the pint into your Ninja Creami and run it on the light ice cream setting, or just the ice cream setting. If it looks crumbly after the first spin, just respin it once. It will turn out smooth and creamy.
Make a small well in the center and add 1/4 cup of crushed Oreos. Run it on the mix-in setting to gently fold in the cookie chunks without breaking them down too much.
And that's it. Creamy, rich, and packed with chocolate cookie crunch. It tastes just like the store-bought version, but better.
If you try this one, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.
Would we make this again? Yeah, but next time we'd probably leave out the cream cheese.
It was creamy, but that texture just didn't quite hit for us. Still really good though.
And for more ice cream recipes, try this chocolate sorbet video next. You're gonna love it.